Yeah, so in this video, I just wanted to talk about Tripwire funnels and filling up your funnel if you do have a Tripwire funnel. So the great thing about those is that it was kind of like one of the first funnels that I ever got started with way back when I started out. Now, as far as the range of products that are out there, I think a Tripwire has to be between like $7 and $47. So that's what I say when I'm talking about a Tripwire product, right? One that's like low cost and gets people in. So the cool thing is that once I took the one funnel away challenge, that was like kind of how the funnel was set up that they give you as far as a shared funnel, right? Because it's talking about selling a product on your sales page and then having like an order bump and then an upsell. So that order, that first item that's for sale, that could be like, you know, a high ticket offer or a high ticket course or a high priced offer. But back at that point in time, I didn't really have an offer to sell. So I just kind of took like a checklist that I had and then made it kind of like a video out of it, and then just turned that into like a simple Tripwire offer so that I had something to put in place in my funnel. But the cool thing is like I put that in place, and then they said, okay, you know, when you're setting up this type of funnel, you want to have an order bump as well. So I went and came up with an idea to put a product there as far as having an order bump in place. And the cool thing is that it worked. Like it was crazy how well it worked, right? When I was taking the course, the one funnel away challenge, and they were talking about like, you know, like your conversion rate for your, for a decent Tripwire should be like 5%, right? So when mine was converting at like 6%, I was like, oh my God, this is awesome, you know? So the cool thing is that I had people coming in and, you know, like I wasn't really making a lot of money on the Tripwire itself, but because I had the upsell in place, people would take that. And that's when I was making more money with the upsell than I was with the actual Tripwire offer itself. So it was like really, really cool. Once I had all the pieces in place, right? So then now I'm getting people coming in and I'm building up this buyer's list of people that are coming in simply because of the Tripwire products. So don't be afraid to sell something for, you know, like a low price for $7 or something like that. I've even seen other ones there where people had like $1 offers, but I don't know. I don't recommend going with that. I think 7 is as low as you want to go. And if you tailor it right and set it up, whether it's $7, $9, $14, if it's a good Tripwire, people will come in. So it's a great way to, you know, bring money in, set up a quick and easy funnel, and start building up your buyers list. So go set yourself up a nice Tripwire funnel. I'll see you in the next video.